another Epicflows Production.
Radical epic, it's epic out here. You see? Leash.
Don't know now, big up Jamaica twisted cartoon. You see me get there, don't reach. Don't play the stick man, cause you don't know you get clip man. You see it?
Big up Jamaican twisted cartoon. Oh, when stick man talk. No man walk.
This is in no way formal figure a representation of any person, place, thing or animal. Any character, sound or action you think you recognise is merely a figment of your imagination. No copyright intended. Another Epicflows production. Irish Stu, Jamaican twisted cartoon. Remember to subscribe and all that good stuff for more episodes. When stickmen talk, no man walk.
On the last twisted episode of Irish Stu.
Jessica, the police boy a carry she and go out of station in can't get your number.
Please, don't kill me, Mr. Roosta.
Yeah, Roosta. Stacey says she get a call so them kidnap stickman, you know.
Yo, Shane. You know, say sometime me pray say you think me got a bag of girl. Actually, you don't know say that bag you got whole heap of hole in there.
To the money, man.
Yo, brother, you don't believe me? My youth, right now, me not trust nothing name woman in a bossy.
So that make you want Shanice left?
Yo, brother, that girl a come to me with some bag of trust argument in a bossy. But just have to make that girl know, say, yo, me consider her like a 10 mackerel in a boss.
Yo, Mitch, what that even mean, my youth?
Yo, you know when you go down at the Rasta man shop, and you look pan the Rasta and you say, yo, me can't trust you a 10 mackerel. And the Rasta man look back pan you and say, yo, move from here so you look a Babylon dirty poor clip them in a boy. I see him when so me attack.
Yo, you know see if you go into comedy bus star.
Yo, right I know, me just can't believe so me never get for eating on my youth. That a bother me, you know.
What you say? I want to go eat some Chinese, you know.
Yo, my youth. Oh, you love run so much joke, my youth. That's why police have locked you up in your so, you know. Yo, from me a little and a grow, them a tell me say Chinese man a take dog and a cook up dog in a party and them thing there. Yo, me not even believe, you know. Till a one day me a see the bag of video them a circulate and me know say me have the proof, you know. Yo, what you talk about, yeah, man, youth?
What you say? Rest in peace to all of the mongrel dog, them and potential donkey them when you name with your fried rice, eh?
Yo, out to this brother, man, yo, easy, the man.
Don't do it.
Yo, just take your time, man, no matter with it, yeah, man, yo.
Welcome to the Irish Stew. We gon' show you how Jamaicans do. Stick men run the island too.
When stickman talk,
no man walk. Irish Stew. Irish Stew. When stick man talk, me say no man walk. When stick man talk, me say no man walk. Irish Stew. Irish Stew. When stick man talk, me say no man walk. When stick man talk, me say no man walk.
Jamaican cartoon is twisted, yo. Expect anything from this twisted show. Brand new characters in this episode. Bad man, stick man in this episode.
Irish Stew. Irish Stew. When stick man talk, me say no man walk. When stick man talk, me say no man walk.
Stick man talk, no man walk. Oh.
so Roosta, me wonder how I really go on this stickman.
Me still can't believe we just pick up the man and drop him off. Right about now, I'm ready to pick out any amount of eye. I'm ready to bad up any weasel.
Oh, you want so bad man, Roosta?
You know, say me never used to so bad though. But them curry me father and the same farmer boy did that try fried chicken up my mother. So from that me just start talk and turn bad chicken. Me a bad rooster, me unruly. No boy can mess with my family or else me scramble their head.
It rough, man.
So how we did I hear about some mosquito the other day?
Two mosquito boy did that try trouble Gracie, you know. And I talk about them never know my girl. But still me have to make an example out of them like E.G. full stop.
Me hear say Africa them did come from.
I could have France.
Me hear say them mosquito they did have some strong links in a rooster.
So a bicycle link me got.
Just did I make a nose still rooster.
A see a bad gas take up the place from where they, you know. Today my car shut down for me and now it move like it want to shut down again.
Talking about bad guests, baby. Look like I shouldn't buy the rum cream, cause a pure bad guest you let out. Oops.
Don't blush, baby.
Stop it, car. Me can't feel me nose.
So yeah, man, after that she make some statement about ring and thing like so she want to get married or something. But me just have to make her know say if she want a ring, she just have to take her phone off a silent, you see me?
Oh, you wicked summer youth.
Big man level in a shit. Me I wonder how alkaline that talk about new level unlock and then set speed, gully bop get padlock and chin chin unlock a new level too. Seem like something bigger coming up.
Well, say, like some bigger happening in Jamaica this year or something.
Asha, I want go on. From evening, you just done in your phone screen more than usual, so look like a paid digital pay of use WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Steve, I watch the fight with Gully Bop and LA Lewis.
Widow, Gully Lock. And that him name now since him they get the padlock.
You're so funny. Soon come back. Gonna use the bathroom.
Oh, you love walk up and down, so you can't stay in one place. Bathroom soon, use you.
What that mean, Steve?
No man, Stacy and Weed Waka. Wanna take this bad gas thing to a next level. I feel wait and make it car breeze out. Stick man, I figure wait look a bit.
Boy, kidnapper. Stickman glad for the food, you know. Even though I kidnap Stickman. But you look like you and Shaggy and French than a work.
What make you say that, Stickman? Must slap you across the face, you know.
Cause you just make a difference and save a life with the food, yeah.
Stop your eyes. Me so would take a life if you keep running off your mouth.
You don't have no conscience, no kidnapper. But a Stickman talk about conscience. One artist never did name conscience. And what happened to him? It look like him did catch Ebola, cause him disappear with it. Right about now, we no kidnapper. I just one thing else Stickman and one die, no. You could bring a girl to feed Stickman the food. She could have ugly like Gully Bop new girlfriend Amari. Her face look like the world end. She could have be curvy like Yannick Curvy Diva during the PNP government. Or she could have firm like Yannick Curvy Diva in the JLP government. She could have fluffy and sexy like how Miss Kitty used to stay. Or she could have look weird and out of place like how Miss Kitty shape now. My dream. I forget how to that place, I know. Stickman lock up for about 3 episodes now. Stickman missing like how Portia Simpson missing after she lose the election. When Stickman talk, no man what? So kidnapper, you know, put up some destroyer.
Why you want me to meet you so close to the bathroom?
Baby, cause my sister me no up to no bullshit.
So you're supposed to got lots of girls go on dates every week?
Oh, me baby. Right, I know that are the biggest difference between me and a calendar, you know. It got dates. Me also 365 and a quarter days.
So you make lots of money, can take me out, don't?
Baby, can't take you out, go tour Kingston, yes?
Oh, really now?
Yes, man. And we can Snapchat and everything when we are tour, cause you don't know, say the JUTC, them got free Wi-Fi, you know. Even though them might crash at any minute.
You're kidding.
Then no must, baby. Why? It look like me ever go spend 4 years at university now and go get a call center job. Cause that are the only way me now kid run with this here girl, you know.
Yo, Buzz. We finally find them.
He looks, sir.
Are you the Roosta who used to live up the farm?
I made this. Who you?
A revenge will come find a chicken boy. Use Rachel so you shoot up a brother blood sucker them, you know.
Stacy, go in at the car, put on some repellent.
Yo, Buzz, no make you do that.
Yo, the boss and a move.
Stacy.
Bad gas on the skin. I made this. Wanna chat so much on that evil sister me make her escape like rat in a kitchen.
Yes, Roosta. You're a real bad man, you know. Stacy, babes. Glad everything alright. So, Gracie, how you just quiet, so?
And so Gracie stay silent like phone without sound, man. She not talk.
That may I realize. Make we see if we can fix that car and go out of the station.
I wish you don't miss it. Jamaican show that's twisted. When stickman talks, no man walks.
Irish Stu, Jamaican twisted cartoon.
Oh, when stickman talk, no man walk.
Show that's twisted.